Hello my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. If you're a gardener, you know that April is a busy month to clean up and start planting. A few years ago, we came across this interesting tomato variety, and as we were unfamiliar with it, we had to learn its unusual color and when to harvest it. Here's what we discovered. So my friends, let's get growing.
So when you buy them, they're green like other tomatoes. But when exposed to sunlight, their skin slowly turns to a purple eggplant color. From there, the question is, when are they ready to harvest? First, it takes 2.5 to 3 months for them to fully ripen, so be patient. Second, if we look under where it's not exposed to the sun, the green will eventually turn to red. There, I'm not sure if you can see it. Third, just like other tomatoes, they will be soft to the touch. And finally, their skin will go from shiny purple blue to a dull purple brown color. When picking the tomatoes, there's a bright orangey red color at the stem end. The contrast is so pretty. So here's what it looks like when we cut the tomato in half. This is perfect to add to salads, pasta, or any other recipes.
As you saw in this video, if you come across this particular variety, it's definitely worth a try. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!